In this lesson, we're going to learn about a histogram. So if we have a problem like this one that says the owner of a flower shop kept track of the number of roses in each vase, use the data in the table to complete the histogram. So here's the table, and a histogram shows a range of numbers. Okay, on the x-axis usually it has a range of numbers. Okay, and so we have the number of vases here is 4, and the range of number of roses in 4 of the vases is 0 to 4. And then in 10 vases, we see that the range of roses is in the number of 5 to 9, and so on. Okay? So now we just need to complete this histogram. So find the missing bar in the table. The missing bar is for the range 10 to 14. So this is the one we're looking for. And so you'll see how this is laid out. So number of vases is here, and then number of roses is here. Okay, so the histogram piece is here on the bottom, and then number of vases is here on the side. So the number of vases is 4 here for the number of roses between 0 to 4. So in those vases, there's 0 to 4 flowers contained. Then for the 10 vases, there's 10 vases here. There's 5 to 9 roses in those vases, and so on. And so for the 15 to 19 number of roses, there's 8 vases that have that many roses. And then for the 20 to 24 roses, we have 2 vases that have that. Okay? So now that we understand how to do this, it becomes easy. So we know 6 vases have between 10 and 14 roses. That's this, okay? Now, set the height of the missing bar to 6, because we know it's 6. This is 6, so the missing bar is going to be this high, okay? So then all we need to do is fill it in, and that's it. And that's how you do this type of problem. And it's that simple. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along as you watch the video. There's a link will take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.